In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a click-to-call link to a shape in PowerPoint. If you want people to tap a shape in your slide and immediately start a phone call, the fastest way to do that is by adding a special hyperlink. This works great when your presentation is opened on a phone or on a computer that has calling software installed. I'll walk you through the process step by step, keeping it simple and clear. First, insert the shape you want to use. Go to the Insert tab, choose Shapes, and click the shape you prefer. Then click on your slide to place it. If you already have a shape on your slide, just click it to select it. Any shape will work: rectangle, circle, icon. So pick something that visually signals call if you want it to be extra intuitive. With the shape selected, right-click it and choose Link or Hyperlink, depending on your version of the app. That opens the Insert Hyperlink dialog. This is where we'll tell the shape what to do when someone clicks it. At the top of the dialog, you'll see a section labeled Link To. Leave this set to existing file or web page. That might sound odd for a phone link, but this setting allows you to type a special address that many devices recognize as a click-to-call action. Now look for the address field. Click into it and type TEL, followed immediately by the phone number you want people to call. It should look like TEL, followed by your number, with no spaces. If you need a country code, include it right after TEL and before the number. Avoid adding dashes or parentheses. Keeping the string clean helps ensure the link works across devices. Be mindful not to include any private or sensitive information you don't want shared. Once that's entered, click OK to apply the link to your shape. That's it. The shape now carries a click-to-call hyperlink. When your audience clicks the shape on a supported device, they'll be prompted to start a call using the number you entered. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Choose a shape color and add text like "Call Now" so it's obvious what will happen. Consider adding an icon, such as a phone symbol, for clarity. And remember that behavior can vary by device and software. Mobile phones typically open the dialer right away, while desktops may hand off to a calling app if one is available. You've just created an accessible, professional click-to-call action using a simple shape and a TEL link.